I'm Zaleha. I'm from Kuantan and I live in Bristol now, United Kingdom. Rendang is originally from Indonesia. Nobody can deny that and nobody can argue about that. There is no right or wrong in making rendang, but it shouldn't be crispy. That is for sure. MasterChef actually is one of the best things I've ever done in my life. It's difficult to get into the competition, so once you get in, it's actually an achievement. W. If you talk about Malaysian hospitality, you have to experience W hospitality. The moment we walk in, the reception, the people, the staff, the crew in the kitchen, they're so good. And Chef Richard, you can't find somebody that rank going into the kitchen, talking to the staff, talking to you all the time, you know, so different, but it's just so amazing.